You have probably seen various mechanical manufacturing processes, but when it comes to building airplanes, there is a certain level of mystery involved. Today, let's unveil the secrets of aircraft manufacturing. North Korean workers are assembling the latest aircraft engine. Who would have thought that this process also requires manual inspections? After all, airplanes must fly in the sky, and even the smallest incident can pose a major risk. Every component must fit perfectly, and Wang must ensure that each part is installed with precision. Once the engine assembly is complete, it still needs to undergo laboratory testing. The entire process can be completed with just the push of a switch. Isn't it impressive how coordinated this work is? After assembly is finished, the pre-packaged parts are sent to the final assembly line. The structure is carefully positioned, starting with the installation of the side panels. Next, the aircraft fuselage is assembled. This process can be carried out simply by pressing a few buttons on a computer, and robots automatically complete the assembly, making it incredibly efficient. After that, the airplane's wheels are installed. Following this, the internal components of the aircraft are assembled. Each part is installed in a modular way, making the process extremely fast. Now it's time to apply the aircraft's new paint job. The engines are carefully positioned and secured. Once the entire assembly is complete, all airplane components undergo a final inspection. Finally, the aircraft moves on to the last stage, where the fuselage is painted in the custom color chosen by the client. And just like that, the aircraft is fully assembled. Isn't it amazing? What else would you like to see? Leave your comments and we'll bring you more exciting content.